If you're looking for affordable Hammonton, this is the property for you. Let's check it out now. This is 312 West Pleasant Street. Your steps from all of the great restaurants, Bruni's Pizza, Bagliani's Market, all that great stuff. I got a 3-bed, 1.5 bath, 2-story home in the heart of Old Hammonton. And this is a very desirable part of Hammonton, and there's a whole lot of great new construction happening. You have the center island, real nice. A lot of cabinets here in this house, and you have the parlor with the convex windows. All kinds of glorious afternoon sunshine coming in. You've got a laundry room, got your washer dryer, stainless steel. Got a half bath, good. You have this mudroom area, use it as you want. And then you have a really nice deck. It's a 50 by 100 lot, really, really cool. And you can just hang out here and solve the problems of the world and have a cup of coffee. The morning sun comes up that way, really nice. So making our way back through, the moldings are the old style, which is real nice. It's got a lot of the old world moldings, which are really, really cool. The really heavy baseboards around the perimeter, real nice. It's got nice view here to the front, a yard area, and you have this banister that's circa 1920 when this house was built. So they don't make them like this anymore. So this is a cherished piece here of this home. There's 3 beds up here, 1 bath. We'll call this one bedroom number 3, all good. This one has a lot of good vibe in here. So this is bedroom number 2. And then it's got the old pine floors, which are really a classic element. People love those all throughout the 2nd floor here. And this would be the master bedroom number 1. And there's also a door here. I'm not gonna go up there, but there's another walk-up attic there where there's a ton of storage. You got a floor up there, really, really cool. And we got a full bath, right where it should be. It has a nice pedestal sink that's kind of period appropriate, really, really cool. And let's make our way to the basement. It's the entire footprint of the house, and it's got some utilitarian features, which are standard, but it's got some standouts as well. There's a 200 amp electrical box, so you got a ton of power in this house. You can make expansions, put a pool in the back, whatever you wanted to do, but you got 200 amps there. And this HVAC system, it's your central air and your gas furnace. This was installed in 2023, so this is really new and generally maintenance free at this point. Public water, public sewer. So we've got a great property here, heart of Hammonton. It's affordable, public water, public sewer, newer HVAC. There's a whole lot of new construction that's going to be happening shortly, where it's going to create a lot of energy in this part of Hammonton, but there's going to be a nice mix of new and old, and you could be a part of that. The property is 1,333 square feet. It's got 3 beds, 1.5 baths. We're at 312 West Pleasant Street. Kids go to Hammonton school systems, which are always highly rated. And I suggest you make your appointment. I don't think this one's gonna last very long. And if you like what we're doing, make sure you give us a thumbs up. And to be able to see all our videos as they come up, which are a lot of them, we have a lot in the pipeline right now, make sure that you subscribe.